We are navigating our way out of Penny Camp Park, and we're gonna turn around and head south on, where is it, west? I think it's south, down the island, just to Mrs. Mac's Kitchen. We are, sorry, Navigator's watching traffic.
Navigator can't drive and navigate.
No, okay. Anyway, yes, we're going to Mrs. Mac's Kitchen. Some friends of ours, Philip and Jody, mentioned they had just been here and they went to Mrs. Mac's Kitchen and it was delicious food. So we are going to hunt that down and see if we can rustle up a snack there. So much traffic. We're only going 4 miles. I don't think we're going to be heading down the islands any further, honestly. I could be wrong. I'm just not feeling it right now. 4 miles is far enough.
If you don't feel it, you don't do it.
Yeah. Whatever. Oh, horns are honking.
Someone waited half a second before they started going.
I know.
Can't have that.
Half a mile away.
I caught a fish today.
Yeah.
I caught a fish today.
You didn't keep it though.
It was too small.
Ah.
It was a little mangrove snapper. I just took the kayak out this morning by myself. Wanted to try it with just one seat. Didn't want to take a camera. Just wanted to go check out the area, do a little fishing. Caught one little mangrove, one mangrove snapper. But I saw like this huge.
Okay, sorry to interrupt, but 3/10.
3/10.
Just be mindful of the cyclists there.
Big old stingray. I was like in 2 feet of water, crystal clear water, and it just came up from the front, just went right down the side of the kayak. It was the coolest thing.
Arrive at Mrs. Mac's Kitchen.
I'll go up there.
Arrived.
We have arrived. I am getting the alligator tenders. And what did you order?
A Bloody Mary, and I'm going to try the cup of the conch chowder.
Conch chowder. I also ordered a Bloody Mary. So we're having cocktails and appies. Check out these Bloody Marys. Delicious. Dave's trying the conch chowder, which is interesting because it's red. I thought it would be like a creamy chowder.
It's a bisque.
Oh, okay.
It's delicious. Is what
Is it?
Yeah. Do you want to try a bite?
Yeah, I'll try a bite. Oh, so I like cioppino.
Very much like chicken.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, that's what I would say. It's almost-
That is like cioppino. That was very good. Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
Gator bite. Trying Gator for the first time. It's very good. It tastes like fish. It tastes like a denser white fish.
All right, my turn.
It's delicious. It's like fish nuggets.
It doesn't taste like chicken.
It does not taste like chicken, but it does taste like fish. What did you get?
I got fish, shrimp, and lobster.
That looks delicious. I'll just be over here with my Gator bites and my Bloody Mary. World famous key lime pie. Look how creamy that is. It's very creamy looking. Okay, first time trying Gator. Probably won't be my last. That was pretty good.
I think we got to cook it ourselves, though.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. Next time, find some fresh gator somewhere. Gator tail. Now, do they use the rest of the gator as well?
I don't know nothing about the gator market.
They might make gator sausage or jerky or something.
I don't know.
This requires research, but it was good.
I liked it.
Everything you had was good. The Bloody Marys were good. The pie was good. Oh, Pistol Girl. What's going on? Hi. She says, where's my snack?
I want some Gator meat.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're headed back to Publix, get some groceries, and then we're headed back to camp. I need a nap after that indulgence.
I didn't say anything.
You need snacks, don't you, baby?
Oh, I got a treat for you.
Oh, Daddy's got something. We are headed to go drop the kayak in. Right now, just Dave and I are headed down. He went fishing the other day and didn't really catch a lot, but you saw a stingray.
Saw a stingray. I was like in 2 feet of water. I'll take you out to where I saw it, under this bridge.
Yeah, so I brought the underwater camera and I'm hoping last time we were out I tried to film underneath and it was too murky, so I'm hoping it's more clear, we can see something cool.
I went farther up and found some really cool clear water, like parrotfish. Yeah, it was really cool.
Take me there.
I don't know anything about him, but that was a big shark. Well, it was like a 4-footer. So.
It wasn't giant, but my hand's still under the water filming.
Well, it's crystal clear, honey.
I know, but still.
If you see him coming, I'd remove your hand.
I will. Oh my gosh, I saw a shark.
All the fish sure disappeared.
They did. Okay, so the fish definitely had a divide and conquer plan with your shrimp. You throw it in and they would nibble at it until the big chunks came off and the bigger fish would gobble the big chunks. But I'm really hoping the underwater camera caught some things. We saw a shark. I'm going to say a giant shark, but it really wasn't that giant.
It was probably 4 feet.
It was still a shark. It was just like this black... It had a distinct shape though. Was it a hammerhead? No.
No, but you could, I mean...
It's real dark.
It's got that whole predator look to it,
It was definitely a shark.
And there was fish everywhere, and then all of a sudden it was like...
Nothing.
Nothing. It was like, we're out of here.
And then the parrotfish seemed to travel in pairs. There were two of them.
Push.
Okay, that's about all I got. I don't want to break the branch. Really, really cool in here. I do see the bugs out, and I have been getting bit close to the mangroves here. I've just been tough for the sake of fishing and filming.
All right, I am starving.
Okay, let's go back. I've got some potatoes and onions. I think we'll do like a breakfast dinner situation with fried onions, potatoes, and I have that beef sausage link thing, you know what I'm talking about?
Like kielbasa?
Yeah, that's the word. And eggs, how about that? That sounds really good.
I'm down.
Dinner of champions, breakfast. Here's a tip for you. If you love mustard, we love mustard, but we found this seafood mustard sauce at Publix. It's like Dijon, but even better. I don't even know. I'm gonna have to look at the ingredients and try and make it myself. But
It's good on everything.
everything, seafood,
Sandwiches.
sausage. So I'm definitely going to be having some with this. Sausage. Do you want a little dollop? It'd be good on eggs.
Thank you.
What's our plan for tomorrow, babe?
I think I'm gonna go swimming.
Beach day. I think it's going to be beach day. Yep.
Beach day.
Sounds good. Meet you at the beach. Carry on.
Carry on.